In this video we're going to explain how to connect add-on thermostat and add-on antenna to Amana PTAC unit. Okay, let's go. We're going to take antenna. Explain please what you do. You have to turn the switch on the PTAC unit.
You need to turn the on switch to off. Then you connect the antenna. Batteries.
Press up and okay, what do you just did?
You press to set the configuration. You press up and down, and then off to hold it, and then hit off twice.
We're gonna have some programming system mode, right? We're gonna choose C1. After that, after C1, we're going to choose next. C1 RE, right? It's RE. Okay, mode. C1 RE. And we're going to turn off the PTAC unit. Right, we did. After that, we're going to hold off for some time. And it should be, yes, programming system L mode. We're going to take a thermostat, turn around, and we have a setup button. You're gonna press it, and we see that's thermostat start to connect it to the PTAC unit. Okay, some random numbers just jump back and forth, and everything connected. Just press off on thermostat. Off it one more time. I think just one time. Yes.